Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find IP address and MAC address of Wi-Fi in Realme Note 50 device. So for this, all you guys have to do, just go to settings. After that, click on network and internet. All you guys have to do, just click on internet and click on the device which is already connected to your mobile phone. So right now Huawei 5G is connected, so I want to check the IP address and MAC address of this router or device. So just click on settings. After that, scroll it down. So you guys see randomize MAC address and IP address here. These two are the MAC address and IP address of this Wi-Fi. So this is how we can check the IP address and MAC address of Wi-Fi device in Realme Note 50 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.